One goal can decide the fate of a World Cup final and help Spain lift the trophy once again. But have you ever wondered, why can this football maintain such a precise and stable trajectory? Today's World Cup footballs are built with advanced curved surface designs and integrated molding technologies, demanding extremely high standards for roundness, symmetry, and stability. During high-speed flight, even a tiny deviation invisible to the human eye can affect the ball's rotation, trajectory, and landing point. That means every competition-level football must undergo strict quality inspection. But here comes the challenge. A football is a flexible, complex freeform surface. So how can manufacturers accurately measure it without changing its original shape? Formbuilder's high-precision 3D scanning technology provides the answer. Through non-contact scanning, it rapidly captures massive amounts of 3D data and reconstructs the complete surface geometry of the football. It accurately restores the true curvature of the ball and through digital comparison, identifies subtle deviations that are impossible to detect with the naked eye. Beyond the football itself, 3D scanning also plays a key role in inspecting the precision of the thermal molding tools used in production. By analyzing the 3D data of the molds, potential deviations can be detected early, ensuring every panel fits perfectly and helping the final product meet competition-level standards.